everyone, my name is Professor Entropy Equilibrium, and today it's my hands-on activity, and we'll be talking about thermodynamics. Now let's jump right back into materials. The first thing you'll need is 3 empty tin cans with tops and bottoms removed. We used refried beans and fruit cocktails. The second thing you'll need is duct and masking tape. We prefer masking tape. The third thing you'll need is 1 unbent paper clip, which should start off like this. The fourth thing you'll need is 1 thumbtack or straight pin. I'm not sure what this one is. It's a thumbtack, I think, yeah. And then the fifth thing you'll need is 2 books, same level and size. I chose these 2 books because they're the same level and size. And the last thing you'll need is a 6 by 6 inch paper. Now that I've told you everything you need, we're going to start off with instructions. So you're going to tape together the 3 tin cans with the tops and bottoms removed. It should look like this. Okay? Next, with the paper clip, right? Make a wire arch and tape it across the top of the can. So I did that, and it should look like this. So with a wire arch, and we're going to tape it across. Okay, now that one side, and then we're going to do the other side. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to tape the thumbtack or shape into the center of the arch pointing up. So I already did that, as you can see, right there. And then you point it up, remember. So the sharp pot is facing up. Next, we're going to place the chimney on the top of the 2 books with a space between to allow the airflow or the heat flow to come from underneath. So let's do it. So you have the 2 books that are same level, same. So you need that so it can actually stand and balance. So I'm going to try to put it as far as they can so as much heat as possible can get through. Here, I think this is... There we go. The next thing, make a pinwheel, balance the pinwheel on the top of the thumbtack, tape side down. So I'm gonna let you go watch a video on that, and then we'll come back and we'll do the next step. Okay, now that you made your pinwheel, here's mine, right here. And now you're gonna take your pinwheel and the thumbtack and put it through. Remember, it's facing side down, so the spinning part spins. And remember, this has to be in the middle for it to work. There we go. And now place the tower in the warm sunlight through the window. So we're gonna move it. We're probably gonna keep it up here, but probably move the table. And this might take a few hours, a few minutes, however hot the day is. So I'll tell you when it's done and when the heat is ready to flow. Heat is flowing through the cans, creating equilibrium. It's going to the top and creating the pinwheel to spin. And here it is. Now that we've learned thermodynamics in action, what did we learn? The first thing we learned was was that heat from the sun will warm the air inside the cans, creating a convective updraft. Another thing we learned was that hot air in the chimney rises to combine with the cooler air outside the chimney because the hot air and cool air are combining to reach equilibrium. Lastly, we learned if you increase temperature, you increase entropy. And the more entropy put into a system excites the molecules and the amount of randomness in a system. And that's why it caused heat flow to the pinwheel. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.